In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can archive an Instagram post. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up the Instagram app. Once you have the Instagram app opened up, tap on your profile icon down in the bottom right to go to your profile page and find whatever post it is that you want to archive and just go ahead and open it up. We're just going to select this one as an example, but essentially open up the Instagram post specifically, then tap the three dots up in the top right corner of the post, and you're going to see a little archive button on here. Go ahead and select archive, and that post will then be removed from your profile, but it is not going to be permanently deleted. Now, you can also archive posts in another way. Say you want to archive a bunch. You just have to go to your profile again, tap the three lines up in the top right, select your activity, and then go ahead and scroll down to post, select that, and then of course, go ahead and choose whatever post it is that you want to archive. Select archive and confirm by hitting archive one more time. But that is how you can archive Instagram posts. It really is that simple. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.